This is 10 years ago, this is the last place which I visited. And from here I got the order from His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada to go to India. Basically, the purpose of going was that in Vrindavan and in Sri Mayapur, Vrindavan is the birthplace of Krishna's pastimes, and Sri Mayapur is the birthplace of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, whose deities are here on the left. So, there was no guest house owned by our own society there, although there are hundreds and thousands, actually thousands of temples by sister organizations. But we had no place of our own. So, Srila Prabhupada said that we require to have a wonderful guest house and temple and community so that the devotees from all over the world can visit with a very nice arrangements and facilities these most holy places of India.